Have you ever imagined running your own massive online marketplace, something that feels as scalable as Amazon, as flexible as Etsy, and as polished as a professionally engineered e-commerce ecosystem, but fully under your control, with no monthly fees and no corporate gatekeepers standing between you and your revenue? As you watch the zCart demo unfold on the homepage, you quickly realize that this is not just another e-commerce script. What you are looking at is a complete business infrastructure, a long-term digital asset engineered to generate recurring income while supporting thousands of vendors, products, and customers in a single, unified ecosystem. This is zCart, a multi-vendor e-commerce platform designed for serious entrepreneurs who want to build, scale, and own an online marketplace without relying on third-party platforms. As the homepage loads, you see the structure instantly. The storefront is clean, modern, responsive, and intentionally crafted to resemble the frameworks used by large marketplace companies. Everything is designed around clarity, discoverability, and conversion. The moment a visitor lands on your platform, they know exactly where to go, what to browse, and how to buy. In this video, we're going to explore exactly how zCart works, why its multi-vendor engine is far more powerful than the usual e-commerce systems out there, how it supports large-scale transactions and vendor operations, and, more importantly, why a marketplace business model like this represents one of the most profitable digital opportunities you can build today. By the end, you'll understand the massive economic advantage of operating a marketplace rather than a single-store e-commerce site, and how zCart gives you the infrastructure to achieve that. As you scroll through the homepage demo, you immediately notice how structured everything is. Categories are intelligently arranged, featured products are visually appealing, and the browsing experience feels natural, as if it has been engineered to be profitable from day one. This is not an accidental design choice. Marketplaces convert better when the browsing journey feels intuitive, and zCart has been built with conversion psychology baked directly into its interface. It doesn't matter whether your future customers are searching for clothing, electronics, home goods, handmade items, or even niche specialty products, the platform adapts to whatever market you want to dominate. But what truly sets zCart apart is how it transforms the way digital entrepreneurs think about e-commerce itself. Running a single online store limits your income potential. Running a multi-vendor marketplace means you earn from vendor registrations, vendor commissions, monthly fees, subscription tiers, promotional placements, transaction percentages, and dozens of scalable revenue channels that compound over time. In other words, zCart helps you build an ecosystem, not just a shop. As you navigate the demo further, you notice how refined each vendor detail is. Every vendor gets their own storefront, branding, product catalog, sales dashboard, order panel, and analytics. Vendors can manage inventory, update product variations, send order updates, and run their operations just like merchants do on major online marketplaces. This is crucial because vendors need autonomy. The more self-sufficient they are, the more your marketplace can scale without requiring additional staff or micromanagement on your part. The customer experience is equally important. From the homepage, you notice how quickly products load, how clean the product pages look, how structured the information is, and how seamless the checkout experience feels. Speed and clarity are essential. Slow platforms lose sales, but zCart feels fluid and fast, which means higher conversion rates and more revenue for you and your vendors. The platform also incorporates advanced back-end logistics. Vendors can manage shipping, taxes, inventory, product variations, and order fulfillment. Customers can track their purchases, communicate through messaging, apply discount coupons, and enjoy a frictionless buying process. This level of detail gives your marketplace credibility. When a platform behaves professionally, people trust it enough to spend money on it. On the administrative side, zCart becomes even more impressive. When you explore the admin dashboard, you see how much control you actually have. You can manage vendor approvals, product moderation, payment configurations, shipping zones, tax rules, homepage customization, and promotional placements. You can set commission rates either per vendor or globally. You can manage subscription packages where vendors pay to access premium features or increased visibility. You can create banners, manage site content, configure analytics, and monitor vendor performance. The entire system is built to give you complete oversight but without overwhelming complexity. This is where the business strategy becomes truly interesting. Marketplace owners don't sell products, they sell opportunity. Every vendor who joins your platform is not just a seller but a revenue stream. A marketplace grows exponentially once vendors begin promoting their own storefronts. Your vendors bring their customers. Their customers become familiar with your platform. Their activity increases traffic and trust. And as more vendors realize your marketplace is becoming a discovery engine for buyers, they join in to avoid missing out. This network effect creates something that ordinary online stores can never achieve. Now imagine scaling that. Imagine launching your marketplace in a niche industry: handmade jewelry, local sellers, electronics accessories, beauty products, home essentials, smartphone parts, digital goods, or regional artisanal merchandise. With the right niche, your marketplace becomes a central hub where buyers gather, vendors establish themselves, and transactions start flowing every day. Your income is not tied to the number of hours you work. It grows as your vendor base grows. Imagine layering monetization on top of that. Vendor subscriptions, commission fees, transaction percentages, advertising slots, homepage placement fees, category sponsorships, cross-selling recommendations, checkout ads, and vendor upgrade packages. All of these become recurring revenue streams that continue flowing even when you're not actively managing the platform. The long-term value of a marketplace is not just income, it's asset appreciation. Marketplaces with stable vendor and buyer ecosystems sell at significantly higher valuations than typical e-commerce stores. Investors pay for traffic, transaction volume, user activity, and vendor diversity. The more your marketplace grows, the more it becomes a high-value digital property that you could potentially sell for a multiple of its yearly earnings. zCart gives you the infrastructure to achieve that level of growth. It is fully customizable, meaning you can change the branding, redesign the layout, configure the homepage sections, and tailor the entire marketplace to your vision. You can localize it for a specific country, region, or niche industry. You can integrate payment gateways based on your target buyers and sellers. You can scale horizontally by adding new categories, or vertically by focusing on micro-specializations that convert extremely well. As you explore the demo deeper, the more obvious it becomes that zCart is designed for serious entrepreneurs. Everything is built to handle real-world volume. Products scale, vendors scale, categories scale, dashboard analytics scale. The system is not a toy, it's a foundation for building a marketplace that grows month after month, year after year. The reason this business model is so powerful is simple. Marketplaces win because they unify supply and demand in one ecosystem. When buyers trust your platform and sellers rely on your traffic, your marketplace becomes the default destination in that industry. And when that happens, revenue becomes predictable and recurring. The longer your platform runs, the more valuable it becomes. You are building digital infrastructure, something people depend on. zCart is more than just an e-commerce script. It is a blueprint for creating a multi-vendor marketplace, a long-term digital business built on recurring revenue streams, vendor ecosystems, and scalable operations. With zCart, you don't just open a store. You open a marketplace where thousands of stores can operate under your umbrella. And every single transaction, every vendor upgrade, every product sold contributes to your business. If you're ready to build a marketplace that can grow into a serious digital asset, something you can scale, automate, and eventually even sell, then zCart is one of the smartest foundations you can start with. Everything you need is here. The platform is stable, professional, customizable, vendor-friendly, customer-friendly, and entrepreneur-friendly. It's ready for growth. It's ready for scale. It's ready for your vision. Start building your marketplace today. Your future vendors are waiting.